So here it is some animal that live in water. Which type of animal lives in water? Aquatic animal lives in water. Example, you can say fish are the common aquatic animal, and frog, penguin and turtles, they lives in water. So why they lives in, how they lives in water? So see, fish is the common aquatic animal that lives in water. Their body shape is streamlined body. They can move on water easily. They use their fins to move in water. And paired of fin help them to move forward. The pair of fin help them to keep balance, and the tail fin help them to change the direction. Understood? Fish are common aquatic animal. What is that? Fish is the common aquatic animal. How does fish move on water? They are having fins in their body. With the help of that, they can move in the water. And these fish are having what? Their body shape is, you have seen like this way, streamlined body. Okay, they are having body shape, streamlined body. They can swim in water. And they are having tail. Yes, tail fins help them to change the direction. Tail fins are there that help them to change the direction. And their pair of fins they are having in front that help them to move forward. That help them to move forward. The pair of that fins help them to keep balance also. Help them to keep balance and help them to move forward. And tail fin help them to change the direction. Next one is frog. How does frog move in water? Frog are having webbed feet. With that they can able to move on water. Move in water. Penguin has a two flipper. Penguin you have seen like this way they are having two flipper. With that they can swim in water. Okay. Next one is turtle. How turtle move? Turtle have a paddle. Turtle have paddle. What does turtle have? Turtle have paddle. Turtle have paddle. And this paddle like a limbs. It is like a limbs that help them to swim in water. Understood? It is like a limbs that help them to swim in water. So how animal that live in water? So that is the aquatic animal. Which animal? Aquatic animal lives in water. Okay, clear? In this, fish is the common animal. Fish is the common. How does fish live? Fish lives in water. They are having streamlined body. Okay, and they are having fins in their body that help them to swim in the water. Their front side two fins are there. Okay, pair of fins that help them to move forward. Their tail fins help them to change the direction, and this pair fins also help them to balance in water. Understood? It helps them to balance in water. Next one is frog. Frog is also aquatic animal. It lives in water. How does it swim in the water? They are having webbed feet. Frog are having webbed feet. With the help of the webbed feet, they can swim in water. Next one is penguin. I have told you. Penguin, you have seen penguin. Two flipper is there. With the help of, they can swim in the water. And next one is frog. Next one is turtle. Turtle, what does turtle have? Paddles. Turtles have a paddles. It like a limbs. It likes the limbs, and that help them to swim in water. Understood? And some animals, it is clear. Next one is migration. what is the migration? Animal move from one place to another, escape from one place to another due to the weather condition, that is known as migration. Okay. Some animal they move group cover a large distance even a year to breathe or escape from the cold weather. Okay, or for the shortage of food. Such mass movement is animal is called migration. In cold weather, what they do? In cold weather, they move together. Okay, some animal move together because they can't able to live on that cold weather, and they move together. Why? Due to the shortage of food and due to the weather, they move together in other place, that is known as migration. Okay, moving together animal from one place to other place, that is known as migration. When they do in a cold weather, they can't able to live in the cold weather and do all this thing on that time. Okay, it is clear to you all. So what you have learned today? Today you have learned animal that lives in water, and one more topic I have completed: animals that can fly, animals that can live in water, and animals migrate. The migration of animal. So it is clear to you all. So how animal can live in water and why animal migrate? Why migration? Migrate from one place to other place. What is the migration? That animal can't able to live in the hot, cold weather. So they move together. They move from one place to other place due to the cold weather. Okay, cold place, and due to the shortage of food, they move from one place to other place. That is known as migration. Now it is clear. Okay, I think this chapter is over. So I will, next class I will little bit discuss with question answer, and little bit I will revise this chapter. Okay, thank you students.